What's up guys, today we have an unboxing and brief review of the Essager GaN Travel Charger here. So it has 3 ports, one is already active, so built-in Type-C cable here. The price is around $15, which is quite good for GaN Charger here. 65 watts, so you can charge your laptop even using this charger. Overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, overload protection, over temperature, cheap and under voltage. All are here, so that's how it looks like. And what's indicated here, the model is ESCD49, so I will leave a link in the description below. And the output here for Type-C is up to 12 volts 3 ampere, 20 volts 3 to 25, so 65 watt here. USB-A is up to 35 watt. And USB-C plus USB-C is 45 watt plus 20 watt, and USB-C plus USB-A is 45 plus 18. If you use all of them, it's 45, 10, 10, so which is also quite good result. Let's try it out. Let's open and check what we have inside. So box is empty. You have some manual, package, and the charger itself. So the charger is actually quite big. Not that heavy as I see, but I guess because there is some space for this cable, so let's make it bigger. Type-C 65 watt, Type-C 18 watt, Type-C 65 watt again. The cable, okay, the cable doesn't look that reliable for 65 watt, but it's 1 meter cable, even a bit less I guess. So if you're traveling, yeah, I think it's around 50 centimeters cable, not that long, but for traveling purpose, when you don't need to care and search for a cable, you just connect it and stick it and charge your phone, so it's quite convenient. Also, you have the separate 65 watt, 18 watt charger here. As I mentioned already, characteristics, so it's GaN charger, fast charger, that's how it's called. And the maximum is 45, 10, 10, which is also quite good results. If you need to charge something at night, you can leave your cameras, your phone and others to give it a charge. So now let's try it out. I will connect my Samsung phone. It's actually a magnet here. I will put it inside some socket right now. Actually the cable quite short, but let's try to connect and charge the phone. Okay, it's showing super fast charging here. Actually, it means 45 watts is definitely supported, 25 minutes, so this phone supports maximum 25 watts, so it's still good. Good results and quite reliable, so I don't think this cable can do 60 watt. Truly speaking, I'm not sure, so let's try to connect my MacBook to charge. Okay, it's charging now. It's showing 65 watt here, so actually it's supported as you see. And my MacBook easily charging to 65 watt without any issues. So you see here 65 charging, yes. So also the charging level growing fast. It was 80, now it's 84. Actually this charging is working. What I see from disadvantages is this cable. The cable is not really, doesn't look that reliable. I don't know how long it can last and whether you can replace it. I don't think you can replace it easily, or in general you can replace it. But for $15, it's definitely worth it. I do not suggest to charge that often your laptop with this cable. I think if you're traveling, it's okay, but on a daily basis, I don't recommend to use this charger. In general, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.